Hello students, in this video we will see 7 major continents of the world. These continents are separated by large water bodies. These continents are Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. So let's start with the world's largest continent, that is Asia. As you can see in the video, Asia, which is the largest continent, it covers about 1/3 of the total land area of the earth. The continent lies in the eastern hemisphere and Tropic of Cancer passes through this continent. As you can see here, Tropic of Cancer passes through this continent. So this is the world's largest continent, that is Asia. Here you have your Asia, right? Now let's move to the second continent. Second continent, that is our Africa. And here we have our Africa. You can see in your image, Africa. Africa is the second largest continent after Asia. The equator or 0-degree latitude runs almost through the middle of the continent. Students, as you can see, equator, that is at 0 degree, running almost through the middle of the continent, right? A large part of Africa lies in the northern hemisphere. Now, as I told in your previous video, that all the hemisphere which is above the equator are called northern hemisphere, and in this image you can see the area above the equator is called northern hemisphere, and a large part of Africa lies in northern hemisphere, right? This is the only continent through which Tropic of Cancer, the equator and the Tropic of Capricorn passes, right? From all the continent, this is the only continent from where the Tropic of Cancer, the equator and the Tropic of Capricorn passes, right? The Sahara Desert, as you can see here, the light brown color, the Sahara Desert, the world's largest hot desert, is also located in Africa, right? You can see in this image. And the world's longest river, Nile, also flows through Africa, right? So this is the second largest continent, Africa, after Asia. Now let's move to the third continent, and that is our North America. And here we reach our North America. North America, third largest continent of the world, right? Here you can see we have, this is North America, and North America and South America joined together by a piece of land. That piece of land is known as Panama. Here you can see, here we have a Panama, that is Isthmus of Panama. The continent lies completely in the northern and western hemisphere, right? This continent, which continent? North America. This continent lies completely in the northern and western hemisphere, right? Now let's move to the next continent. Next continent we have South America. Okay? In South America, that is lies mostly in the southern hemisphere, right? This is totally in the southern hemisphere, and the world's largest mountain range, and which is that? The Andes. Here you can see these are your Andes, the light brown color. These are your Andes. Run through this the length from north to south, right? Here the Andes is running from north to south, right? And South America also has world's largest river, the Amazon. Okay, here you can see the states of Amazon. Here we also have the world's largest river, the world river Amazon, right? Now next move to the Australia. Here we have Australia. Where we have Australia? Here we have your Australia. So Australia, you can see Australia is the smallest continent and lies entirely in the southern hemisphere. It is surrounded on all sides by the oceans and sea, and it is called island continent. Right? This is your island continent and lies completely in the southern hemisphere. Which continent? Australia. You can see here Australia, and Tropic of Capricorn is passing through Australia. You can see in the image, right? Next we have Antarctica. Here a white color that is completely in the southern hemisphere. It is a huge continent. This is a very huge continent. South Pole lies almost at the center of this continent. You can see 90° S, that is 90° South Pole, lies almost in the center of the continent, right? As it is located in the south polar region, it is permanently covered with thick ice sheet. Right? What I said, as it is located in the southern hemisphere, it permanently covered with thick ice sheet, right? And there are no permanent human settlement. Here we don't have any human settlement, right? So this is your Antarctica. Now we have left with one more continent. And which continent is this? Can you tell me which continent is this? This is your Europe. Where it is Europe? This is your Europe. That is much smaller than Asia, right? Here we have a Europe. You can see in the image European countries, okay, and it lies to the west of Asia. The Arctic Circle, here you can see the Arctic Circle passes through it, right? It is bounded by water bodies on three sides. On the three sides, it is bounded with the water body. So these are your 7 continents, right? Asia, then you have Europe, then you have South Africa, here you have North America, then here you have South America, then here you have your Australia, and the last you have your Antarctica, right? Hope you understand it. Thank you.